In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up tasks and to-do items in Smartsheet so you can organize your work, assign responsibilities, and track progress efficiently. First, open your Smartsheet and create a new sheet or open an existing project sheet. Make sure your sheet includes basic columns such as task name, assigned to, and start date. Next, add an end date column by inserting a new column and setting its type to date. Having both start and end dates helps you track task timelines and project schedules more effectively. Now begin adding your tasks in the task name column. Enter the main tasks or project phases you want to track. Under each main task, add the related subtasks that need to be completed. To organize your tasks, select the subtasks and use the indent option to create a parent-child hierarchy. This makes your sheet easier to read and helps group related activities together. Next, assign tasks to team members using the Assign To column. Enter the name or contact for the person responsible for completing each task. Then add start dates and end dates for every task so deadlines and schedules are clearly defined. Once your tasks are entered, review the sheet to make sure assignments and dates are correct. You can also add additional columns such as status, priority, percent complete, or notes to track more details. To visualize your project timeline, switch from grid view to Gantt view. This allows you to see task durations, schedules, and project progress in a timeline format. As your project moves forward, update task statuses and completion percentages to keep everyone informed. A well-structured task list helps improve organization, accountability, and project visibility across your team. That's it, you've successfully learned how to set up tasks and to-do items in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.